What's up, everyone? Welcome to the I Understand AI channel. We're diving back into the Kaggle Hull Tactical Market Prediction competition. Today, we're talking about how our hybrid brain gets its game plan. Last time, we talked about a breakthrough. We tamed the AI and taught it to use our political sentiment data, creating what I like to call a hybrid brain. Our model is predicting well, around 64% accuracy, which is fantastic. But a smart prediction is useless without a smart strategy to act on it. So this video is all about building the car, that's our strategy, around our engine, the predictive model, and surviving the Kaggle submission process. Now let's talk about building a smarter bet with two crucial pillars of strategy. A simple in or out bet isn't enough for the nuanced world of financial markets. We need to act based on the model's confidence level. Our first pillar is confidence scaling. For low conviction predictions, we allocate 50%, for medium, 100%, and for high conviction, a leveraged 150%. And for negative predictions, it's a clear 0%. The second pillar is our VIX risk management overlay. I like to call it our fear gauge. Here's an example. If the VIX spikes above 25, it overrides a 1.5x leveraged bet, cutting it down to 0.75x. This protective measure ensures we manage our capital intelligently. Now let's talk about the submission gauntlet, a technical challenge we faced on Kaggle. The mood shifted. This became a technical gauntlet, navigating the dark mode coding aesthetic of the Kaggle environment. The first big error, import hull _PMS failed. With my AI assistant, Gemini, we first tried moving the import inside the loop. When that didn't work, we wrapped the entire loop in a try, except import error block. This was a critical step in our problem solving. We faced repeated submission failed messages. The aha moment came when we realized we absolutely had to adopt the precise structure of the official Kaggle demo submission notebook. And finally, a green successful submission indicator. Getting that return 1.0 feet placeholder to work was a huge relief. Now let's interpret the score and figure out what's next for our strategy. Our first successful score was 0.460. It's crucial to understand this isn't accuracy. It's the modified Sharpe ratio of a simple buy and hold strategy. This score is our new baseline benchmark. It's the target we need to beat with our full, intelligent strategy. The real goal is to get our full hybrid model with its sophisticated betting strategy running to beat that 0.460 baseline. The foundation is complete. Data pipeline, hybrid model, betting strategy. Now the real work of optimization begins. If you want to follow the optimization journey, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more breakthroughs on Kaggle.